Hello everyone and welcome to Evan's Music Tips and also Emo Tips. Have you ever wondered what it's like to make your own emo song? You might think it's difficult, but it's not, and I'll show you why. Step 1. Pick up an instrument, like this. We're going to make this one very quick. So you pick up the guitar, play some random harmonies like this. Look, one note, that's just one note. Then do another note. Dramatic. Oh. Get your little dramatic little thing here. That's just so simple. It's so simple. Next thing you gotta do is just start singing about a girl you used to know and then add some reverb to it. So this is what happens when we come up with this easy little guitar thing and then start singing about somebody, and that's it. And then you become a rock star. It's as simple as that.
Don't waste your time looking for me. Stop going too far away. You're too late. I got your message, don't you worry.